After theory ended, then we started to dive. We have, after every 7 days, we have different diving station. So today's episode I will show you basically what all the stations are about. At the moment we are in Scuba station, station 8. And opening the station, cleaning it, putting equipment ready. This is almost the same in every station, but it differs in a station. So now we're using scuba equipment. We have tanks and the Interspiro mask. The other ones we had surface supply. We also have here surface supply equipment, so we can dive scuba from surface supply. And every station has its own tasks. This one we have to hoist the flag, prepare the diving basket, and lower one staircase into the water. Emergency stairs, so let's do that. Working on the pier near the water, you have to wear a life jacket. So, the flag. This is Alpha flag, what means that you cannot come closer to 100 meters from the sea because we have divers down. If the flag is not up, we cannot dive. Next assignment, besides shoveling the snow every morning, we have to prepare the diving basket. So to keep the basket going down straight and not twisted, we have guidance weight with a line. And our station needs to lower one emergency staircase. Just if something happens in the water, we can exit using the stairs. We have a briefing every morning.
Go around the basket. We have 2 chisels, a hammer, and a saw. Just find the technique which suits you.
Divers are ready, and now we start the checklist. Open bailout valve on the block.
Open.
Breathing test of mask.
Ready, 230.
No, okay. I will try to manage.
Okay. Piece of chain, 1 screw, 1 tray, and 1 more somewhere around here. Alright, so put them together, then tighten there, here. You can try to attach it without the hole, but the easier way would be to find the hole which is already there. Okay. And then tighten it all the way down so the chain is tight to the board.
After diving, in the middle of the day, lunchtime!
Hi, this is a really nice lunch today.
What do you have for lunch?
Strawberries, blueberries, cakes. Oh, nice. Have a nice birthday.
We make a table, schedule when somebody is diving, when he's tendering, when he's on basket or on journal. After every dive, all the masks have to be cleaned and the bottles filled.
So, remember what to do? Yes, good. But try not to, don't fold yourself too much. You don't want to look like this. So just head down, hold the mask. And now, this one, be very careful. It's so easy to get your flippers on it. So just keep your foot above it. Okay, whenever you're ready. Circle search. One diver in the middle as the center man. He's the one which is the tender in this case for the divers. This diver has the communication line to the other diver. He's taking it, so it's coming from the surface to the center man diver. He's holding it. Normally it would be easier for him to start in the direction towards the comms line. Divers here give one pull when he's ready to search, takes one sight range so he has control from the center man out to the line of sight that he has. When he feels that he has a good sight range, gives one pull back. The diver then swimming around. He doesn't know when he's gone around one lap. He's just gonna be swimming, searching. It is the center man. Yes, when the diver has completed one lap, 360 degrees, he gives the diver one pull. Diver give one pull back, take out another sight range. Out. When he's satisfied with the range, one pull to the center man, one pull back, and then swims the opposite direction. If he continues to swim the same direction, he's gonna twist himself around the center man's comms line. So you need to swim back, out, around, and then he's swimming back, all the way around again. And when he reaches 360 degrees, center man gives one pull. The center man is the one which is deciding when the diver is stopping. So he gives him one pull, diver answers, extend again, and then swim back the way you came. It's easier if you're just holding it above your head, so you know which direction the pier is when he done. Because if you start to spin with him, you can easily lose the sense of where you are.
At the end of the day, we will write all of our dives in the logbook. So everybody is filling logbooks now. Welcome to the salt sauna. It's I don't know what it is, but it's a multi-complex sauna. So let's see what they're offering. We found the sauna.
Yeah, at last.
And this is the Estonian way.
The higher you go, the warmer it is. Make it hot. Make it hot. Friends, I will go out.
Make it cold!
This was good.
Hot sauna, cold water, hot sauna.
Old mother, she's watching out of the window. She is watching on the street.
That was a nice experience. And it's still winter outside, so we have the changing rooms here. And actually this is a art gallery. I will make a little round. So, and all of this one, I don't know, is this one sauna also, but one of the big ones is. We have some art project, and we have some bars here. Now I will go to relax in the big hall. Just to cool down a little bit, but it's also heated, so it should be warm there as well.
In the big city, nothing will keep us alive. In the big city, nothing will keep us together. In the big city, nothing will keep us alive. In the big city, nothing will keep us alive. In the big city, nothing will keep us together.
Oh, they told us not to drink too much in the weekends. So is this enough water or less?